70 miles an hour, something stops dead ahead. How far does your car travel before you stop? Guess. 96 meters. That's 24 cars' lengths. 24. If you can read the number plate in front of you, you are driving inside your own crash. And tonight, an app is going to ask you for that exact number, plus 5 more, 6 speeds, 6 stopping distances, and no, you don't have to memorize any of them. There's a pattern hiding inside stopping distances. Once you see it, you can rebuild the whole table in your head in about 5 seconds. 3 things. What stopping distance actually is. 2 parts the test quiz is both. The trick. 1 picture that replaces all the maths. And the weather rules. 3 marks once you know 2 numbers. Then at the very end, the test screen. 1 question laid out the way it looks on the day with a trap inside it. Let's go. Pillar 1. Overall stopping distance equals thinking distance plus braking distance. Thinking distance is how far you travel between your eyes seeing the problem and your foot touching the pedal. You're not slow, you're human. It takes roughly 2/3 of a second, and that speed, that's serious ground. At 30 miles an hour, you cover 9 meters before braking even begins. Braking distance is from the pedal to standstill. And here's the why that makes the test make sense. Double your speed and braking distance doesn't double. It's 4 times as far. Speed cheats. It grows faster than you think. That's why motorway questions are obsessed with gaps. Test strap from the car. Anything that slows your brain. Tiredness, alcohol, phone, even loud mates in the back. Grows thinking distance. Anything that weakens grip. Rain, ice, worn tires, grows braking distance. The question, what increases thinking distance, has caught thousands of people, not you. Brain, thinking. Grip, braking. Now the trick. There is a famous one. Multiply the speed by this. Add a half each step. Divide by 3 for the meters. Forget it. If you're doing sums in an exam room, something's already gone wrong. Here's the one you'll actually remember. A tennis court. At 30 miles an hour, your car stops in about 1 tennis court, end to end. That's your anchor. 30, 1 court. And watch it climb. 20, half a court. 40, 1.5. 50, just over 2. 60, 3. 70, 4 tennis courts. Look at that picture. 70 isn't a bit faster than 30. It's 4 times the stopping room. And here's the beautiful part. The theory test is multiple choice. You never have to build the number. You only have to spot it. 70 miles an hour, 4 courts, about 100 meters, and only 1 answer is anywhere near that. 96. The picture gets you close. The options do the rest. Checkpoint. No scrolling back. You're doing 40. Stopping distance. 1 court, 1.5 or 2. 1.5. Now that's the sneaky version. Real test style. 50 miles an hour. Closer to 1 tennis court or 2. 2. Just over. In fact, 53 meters. If you just saw courts in your head instead of doing sums, that's the trick working. You finished this topic forever. Weather. 2 numbers, that's all. Wet roads. At least double your gaps and distances. Ice, up to 10 times. And the real world version, because meters are hard to judge from a driver's seat, is the 2-second rule. Pick a fixed point, a sign, a bridge shadow. When the car in front passes it, say, only a fool breaks the 2-second rule. If you reach the point before you finish, too close, drop back. Rain, say it twice, 4 seconds. Ice, you shouldn't be relying on a rhythm. Crawl, huge gaps, gentle driving. Fog gets 1 line because the test asks it. Can't see beyond 100 meters? Headlights on, that's the law. Fog lights if you want them, and off the moment it clears, because they dazzle everyone behind you. On and off, both directions get tested. From the passenger seat, I've done the 2-second rule out loud with students hundreds of times, and there's always this little silence afterwards, because the gap that feels normal is nearly always too small. If it feels weirdly big, it's probably right. Remember, The person in front isn't the danger. The danger is your own reaction time landing on top of their surprise. Stopping distance is just respect for physics. Screenshot. Stopping equals thinking plus braking. Brain stretches thinking, grip stretches braking. The cart ladder. Half a cart at 20, one at 30, climbing all the way to 4 whole carts at 70. The exact meters are on this screen right now. That's what the screenshot is for. Wet, double everything. Ice, up to 10 times. 2 seconds dry, 4 in the rain. Fog under 100 meters, headlights on. Fog lights if you want, off after. 6 impossible numbers. 1 tennis court, easy actually. Before you go, the test screen. This is how it looks on the day. 1 question at a time, plain boxes, no letters, and the clock in the corner. Here's yours. You're doing 50 in heavy rain. In the dry, you'd need 53 meters to stop. How much should you allow now? 53, same as always? About 91, at least 106, or around 530. 3 seconds. At least 106 meters. Double in the wet. The same rule you learned 5 minutes ago, just wearing test day clothes. And that 530, that's the ice number. 10 times, sitting there hoping you'd mix them up. You didn't. That's what ready feels like. If this trick saves you even 1 mark, that's the whole point of this channel. A real instructor, free in plain English. Subscribe. There's a new topic every week until the whole test is covered. Next up, the crossing question half of learners get wrong in practice tests. Flashing amber, and yes, it's probably you too. Let's fix it for good.